Sir, excuse me.
Don't worry, I'm leaving.
No. The boss wants you to meet the salon culture ambassador.
The culture ambassador?
Yeah. Kiss! Kiss? This is Andy.
Andre.
Did I stutter?
Okay, Andy.
Rock says he doesn't know shit about hair. But he hired him anyway. He's gonna lead the new marketing campaign. Enjoy!
Great. So, how'd you end up here?
I went to film school at NYCFA, and now I'm here.
Yeah, didn't we all? But how did you end up here?
Oh, Craigslist.
Craigslist, right? Okay. Select all, reply all.
Something like that.
Dig it. You know, I remember when I was fresh out of college and was full of optimism, and now I'm just fresh out of fucks and full of self-doubt. But hey, that's working in Midtown, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so, you know, you don't look like a fucking idiot.
Thanks.
Welcome. So, what do you know about all this?
It's a hair salon?
It is not a hair salon. It is the hair salon. Or at least it was 30 years ago. Back then, if you wanted good hair, you had to choose between beauty and paying the bills. Only the elite could afford good hair. It was just bougie white walls and champagne and chandeliers. But then Rock changed it all. He opened up hardcuts with one goal in mind. Beauty to the people on a budget. He opened up the first location back in '85. And he worked us like a hair factory. Morning to night, cutting and combing and teasing and blowing. God, it was hard work, but it was worth it. We brought good hair to the everyman. There's no frills, no bullshit, just good hair. We were on top, and then the money was rolling in. We had advertisements on local cable access. And then Crank came along, and they changed everything. They catered to this new influx of crusty trust fund hipsters that just want to look filthy and get their hair done at a place with a problematic name. God, after they moved in, everything changed.
Compelling. So what else do I need to know about hair?
Look, I can't hold your hand through this whole thing. You need to experience it.
Experience it how?
Please don't make me do all this intellectual labor for you. Come on, we're going to Crank.
Oh, okay.